Our cookie is finished. It's fresh and hot from the oven. Now we want to cut our cookie into a heart shape. We're going to use the pattern that we made before and just gently lay it over the cookie. You can see that the cookie spread quite a bit. Now while it's still warm, you want the cookie to be warm because it's a lot easier to cut and it'll crisp up after. You just cut around the cookie, cut around the pattern in the heart shape. Use a small motion. Don't use a dragging cut. Use like a little bit of a sawing motion. A dragging cut may cause the cookie to break off in pieces. So we want to make sure that we get a nice clean cut all the way around. And just pull the excess cookie away. And if you have some little children around, they like to help get rid of that extra cookie. Okay, so now you have a nice, even cookie. And while it's still hot, you want to cut your puzzle pieces.